based on what Harris County's recent flood disaster was, what advice would you give to other elected officials after a serious flood event to help keep them and their communities, help them to build back stronger?
Well, this whole term resilience has come up. And I guess I would change your question a little bit. I would encourage communities to do it before an event, not wait till after an event. And in our case, I was complaining about property tax, that's all we had. Our issue has always been we're responsible for criminal justice and indigent health care and transportation. And flood control has been kind of at the tail end, kind of the expansion joint, if you will, what's left. So we've been spending about $120 million a year, 60 on operation and maintenance and 60 on CapEx type things. That wasn't enough. And so we're now going to have to say flood control, resilience is job one. And going forward, we have to do that. If at all possible, I would encourage any elected officials that's in an area where they're flood prone, go ahead and start doing that now. It'll save you money in the long run.
Exactly. Now, is there anything I haven't asked you that you want to make sure that elected officials do hear from you?
I think the hardest thing for an elected official, me included, until you've had a flood, then it doesn't show up as one of the, if you go door to door and ask people what are the major issues, it won't be there. It'll always be crime or maybe traffic or who knows what. But once a flood comes, then everybody goes, well, why didn't you do something? So it's hard, but I think leadership really would require you to get out front now on the whole question of resilience before you get struck by the disaster. And certainly before you get struck 3 times like we did.
Excellent advice. Well, thank you very much for sitting down with us. I appreciate it. It's great hearing about your situation and what you guys are doing about it.
We're working on it.
Good luck.
Thank you.